There were nights when the wind was so cold, then my body broke in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. I finished crying in the instant you left, and I can't remember where or when or how, and I banished every memory you and I have ever made. Oh, but when you hold me like this, and when you whisper like that, it was hard to believe, but it's all coming back. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, and that always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more